Jimmy Thing from Maximum PC here at CES 2016. I'm here at ECS's suite, and we're taking an early look at an engineering sample motherboard. It's actually a new motherboard that's currently under embargo right now. But what makes it special is that it's small. If you'll notice, we actually have a Mini ITX board up at the top here, and here's a new motherboard from Intel, which Intel is calling the Mini STX form factor. I'm going to put it side by side so you can sort of see the size differences. Yeah, as you can see, Mini ITX is already pretty small. This new form factor here, Intel is saying has to adhere to a 5 by can not be larger than 5 by 5 inches, and it's based on the specs are here. It's based on the Intel H110 slash B150 chipset, and that means it works with i3 to i7 Pentium Celeron processors that are up to 65 watts. And just taking a look at the motherboard, we have two laptop RAM slots, DDR4, and there's two M.2s, one for Wi-Fi and one for storage. And then in terms of when we take a look at some of the ports, so we have HDMI, we've got USB 3.0, gigabit Ethernet, display port, and you have like sort of a laptop charging interface there. Let's see, on the other side you have USB C, and then on top looks like there's a cooler from Silverstone heatsink, and yeah, it's just really tiny. It's maybe slightly larger than a NUC, but the advantage here is that while a NUC is semi-modular, they use embedded CPUs, and here you'll be able to swap out the CPU, the RAM, the storage, so much more flexibility, and yeah, you can still get up to 65 watts, so it'll be interesting to see if this takes off, and eventually you're going to get just smaller computers that can actually carry a decent amount of firepower. So for more information, check out MaximumPC.com.